Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your caller ID on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With your caller ID hidden, your number will not be visible to the people you call. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings to where it says Phone and tap on it to open the settings for it. In the phone settings, tap Show My Caller ID. Tap the toggle to the right of Show My Caller ID to turn it off. When off, it will be grey, not green. Once that's turned off, your phone number will no longer be visible to people when making phone calls. You can enable your caller ID again at any time by coming back here and switching the toggle on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.